Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Easy. In this video we will see how we can manage our fixed assets in Odoo 18 and 19. So how it works, let's jump to Odoo ERP database, and first we will go to accounting, and we will create some chart of accounts for our assets accounts. Let me go to configuration and chart of accounts. First, I will create a fixed asset account and accumulated depreciation account. In fixed assets, add line, and it will be its code and its name. Like we can take any asset, like it is furniture, and just save it and add another line, and its code will be like 151002, and it will be our accumulated depreciation, and it will be a contra asset. Now just save. After saving, now I will create a depreciation account in expense, and now just add the line 613000, and its name will be depreciation. Now just save. After saving, I will go to configuration and will create asset models. Here you can find asset models. We'll create a new asset model. And before creating asset model, let me show you reporting. If I go to reporting and balance sheet, here we have 00 balance, just we have in receivables 2898.55. There is no as fixed assets and anything else. So let me go to configuration and let us create asset model, new, and let's suppose it is furniture. We can select different depreciation methods. There are 3 depreciation methods are available in Odoo: straight line, declining, then straight line. I am selecting straight line, and here you can select its duration. You can select in years and also in months. I am selecting in months, and let's suppose it is for 6 months. And in computation method, there are 3 methods: no pro rata, constant periods based on days per period. So mostly we use constant periods, so I'm using constant periods. Now depreciable value in percentage. If your asset has any value which is not depreciable, then you can put any percentage here accordingly. And here we will put fixed asset account, which we have created, which is furniture. Then we will put here our accumulated depreciation account, and in expense account we will put depreciation account. And in journal we can also create a different journal for depreciation. First let me save it, and now I will go to journals, configuration and journals. Here I can create a new journal. Let me create a new for depreciation. Its name will be depreciation, and its type will be miscellaneous. Now just save this. After saving this, I will again go to configuration, and here we have asset models. Our existing asset model, which is furniture, and let me just change this journal to depreciation. Now just save this. After saving this, I will go to vendor bills. I will create a bill to manage our assets. first when I will purchase my asset, I need to create a bill, and if you cannot create a bill, you can also manage through directly, you can also create directly assets. And now I am going to manage it through bills. Let me create a new and select any vendor. I'm selecting test vendor, and if I select go to Homburg button, here I can show the product and add line, provide here description, furniture purchased, and its account will be fixed asset account, which will be furniture, and its value, let's suppose its value is 1000. Now just let me make it to 6000 so that it can be easily understandable for depreciation, as we have take our depreciation duration is 6 months. So just save this and now confirm. After confirming, I will go to accounting, and here you can find assets, and I will create a new asset. I can put here asset name, and if I click on view, I can also put here asset name. If you don't have a bill, you can directly put your asset name and its original value, its acquisition date, and its asset model, and each and everything accordingly. But I have asset model. I will pick bill, add line, and here we have bill for furniture. I will select this bill, add, and you can see it has picked its name automatically, and in assets you can see it has picked its original value and its book value according to this date. And let me change just its name to furniture. I just save. After this, we need expense account, but we already have created our asset model. We will apply asset model here, and it will automatically pick some depreciation account and expense accounts. Let me apply asset model here, furniture, and you can see it automatically picked a depreciation account and expense account. So now I will just, I can also change its acquisition date. I am going to change, let's suppose, to show you some posted entries to July 1st. Just apply it, and after this I will save. And when I click on compute depreciation, the depreciation board has been appeared here. I will click on depreciation board, and you can see depreciation by using straight line method has been calculated, and the increase for each month has been calculated. It is July 31st for August, then August 31st and September 30th, and it has divided its value equally 1000 per month. And after this, if we want to post it entries automatically, we need to do some automation. For this, I will go to configuration, chart of accounts. Here I have fixed assets count, and I will automate this. Click on view, automation, and I am saying that I want to create and validate. Click on this and apply asset model, furniture. Now just save this. After saving this, I will again go back to chart of accounts, and you can also, if you want to do automation for the accumulated depreciation, you can do. Just apply asset model, furniture, and save. After saving, again I will go to accounting, assets, and here I have my asset. Click on view, and here we have our asset and its depreciation accordingly. If I again click on compute depreciation, it will show me board here. Now I will just confirm it, After confirming, you can see we have 3 posted entries. As I already mentioned, I am taking its previous acquisition date so that I can show you some posted entries. Now if I click on posted entries, you can see posted entries for previous months. It has been posted directly. It did not create in draft because we did some automation, so that's why it has been created and posted automatically. And the other entries are also created in draft, but at the time of on October 31st it will be automatically posted, and for November and December is similarly for December and November. Now I will go to reporting, balance sheet. In balance sheet you can see we have a fixed asset. Its book value is 3000. Let me expand it. Here you can see our asset is furniture, and its total cost, initial cost was 6000, and now its accumulated depreciation is 3000, which is showing in minus. And after deducting accumulated depreciation from furniture's original value, it is showing its book value, which is 3000. In this way you can manage your fixed assets in Odoo 18 and 19 similarly. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. And if you need any Odoo related services like Odoo consultancy, training and support and implementation services, you can contact me. Thank you so much.